Okay, we got a really quick video here today. Gonna just do a couple quick things on the side-by-side. First, I'm gonna just install these spacers on the bumper mounted light bar here, just so I can get it up a little higher, because a lot of the light hits this bumper as it's aiming down a bit. So if I can just get it elevated a little, I'll be able to get a little brighter light. Next, what we're gonna do is also, so CFMoto sends these units from the factory with a synthetic line, which is awesome. But they include the roller Fairleads that normally you would use on if you had a steel cable. So what we're going to do is swap that out for a Hawse Fairlead. So we'll just get this open. So we'll swap it out for this Hawse Fairlead. And I might have to drill out the holes or switch the hardware. I'm not too sure. And then we have an actual cable hook stopper, just so that we don't pull it in too far. So I'm going to get that done today. So it should be pretty quick and easy. Bigger battery time. There we go. We're going to need longer bolts. I will have to go buy bigger bolts this week. So this is what we're going for. So it just gives it a little more height and allows us to be able to aim it down slightly more. Okay, there we go. So we got just a little bit of height on there. Oh yeah, that's better. Definitely. So I had to get longer bolts. So we got the right size now. Okay, so we're just gonna take this out a bit so that we can put the stopper on. Okay, now we have the KFI stopper part, so we're just gonna put that right on. There we go, all done. Oh, I just gotta bend this cotter pin, but we're good to go. And that's it for today.